Experiencing ongoing problems with your Rogers home internet, even after basic troubleshooting? Let's dive into advanced techniques. First, perform a thorough check. Ensure all cables are securely connected, and ensure the modem's online light is solid green. Next, use the My Rogers app or speedtest.net to assess your connection speed and latency. Aim for latency under 50 milliseconds and speeds matching your plan. If these are off, try power cycling your modem and router by unplugging them for 30 seconds. If problems persist, the issue may be beyond a simple fix. For persistent connectivity issues that basic troubleshooting can't resolve, advanced steps are needed to dig deeper into the network configuration and hardware. First, access your Rogers Ignite modem's built-in diagnostics by typing 192.8.0.1 into your web browser. This opens a dashboard where you can run automated tests to check signal strength, connection status, and potential issues. Next, flush your DNS cache to clear outdated address information that might be causing connection problems. On Windows, open Command Prompt and type ipconfig/flushdns. This refreshes your system's DNS resolver. Check for IP conflicts by bypassing your router. Connect your computer directly to the modem using an Ethernet cable. This isolates whether the issue is with your router or the modem itself. Rule out security problems by enabling WPA3 encryption on your network and scanning for malware. Change default passwords and use antivirus software to ensure no unauthorized access is interfering with your connection. Looking ahead, Rogers is transitioning to fiber optic and mesh network systems for improved reliability and faster speeds. Fiber reduces interference, while mesh networks provide seamless coverage throughout your home. Rogers is deploying AI-assisted troubleshooting apps that predict and fix issues before they occur. Additionally, investments in weather-resistant infrastructure will help combat outages caused by extreme weather conditions.